Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and over the years we have collected images of Christmas trees decorated by RAZ. If you're not familiar with RAZ, they're one of our wholesale suppliers, RAZ Imports, and every year they create beautifully decorated Christmas trees, and in about 2009 we started saving all those images. So, beautiful Christmas trees just don't go out of style, so we're going to show you some of the older trees just for your decorating ideas and inspiration. Now, these products will no longer be available, but we'll share the images with you because you can find similar products of the same color and that sort of thing to achieve the same look. So we're going to go through this. Now there's a lot of trees, and my initial plan was to create one video with all the images, but there's like over 100. So I'm going to break it down right now year by year. And if I have time, I'll go back and create a video that contains all the images. So for right now, grab a cup of coffee and we're going to start looking at Christmas trees. The Cool Yule tree is from 2009, and it is a very whimsical, colorful. It has multicolor, huge glitter ball sprays and cute little penguins. There's a lot of snowflake ribbon, which is still popular, and there's bottle brush trees that you can see down in the front of the tree. Those have really made a comeback this year for 2019. The gifted tree from RAZ is a classic red and green. There's a lot of lime green with some emerald. There are large ornaments, and I think this was probably the first time that I saw what they call a paperboard ornaments, or kind of a paper mache. And they still make some throughout the years, not these exact ones. And like I say, these products will be sold out, but these trees are just to give you some ideas of what you might do for your own Christmas decorations. There's a lot of bold stripes and bold polka dots on this tree. The Ho Ho Holidays tree, again with some classic red and green and some emerald, lots of Santa belt style ornaments, and there's a huge Santa hat for a tree topper. Big light bulb, kind of that gives it a nostalgic look, light bulb sprays, and a lot of paperboard boxes. These were really pretty decorative Christmas boxes, and you can find all kinds of boxes like that, and that to tuck under your Christmas tree. The Feliz Navidad tree is a very elegant tree. There's a lot of gold, some silver, champagne, huge poinsettias, and it has some metallic gold material kind of woven throughout the tree. It's a frosted tree or a flock tree. Lots of gold and silver. Beautiful tree. Peppermint Kisses from 2009 is a great tree that any child would love. It has pink and blue and green, and there's peppermints that are pink and white, not your typical red and white, but lots of huge styrofoam glitter snowflakes. Very whimsical, has some gingerbread and sparkly ball pigs. Lots of pastel colors. Santa in the City is a real glitzy, a lot of bling. They came out this year with these reindeers called Diva reindeers, but you'll find a lot of hot pink and black, lime, glittery poinsettias, huge polka dot balls, just a real glitzy, blingy tree. Warm Wishes from 2009 was a very cozy, comfy, whimsical style of tree. It had a lot of knit stocking cap ornaments, knitted ball ornaments, red and green, and some multicolor. A lot of soft fabrics, velvety ribbon, no glass ornaments. Well, that's all of our trees for 2009, but be sure to subscribe to our channel and come back because I have more trees to show you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.